The Super General range of washers now include a fully automatic 7 kg top-loading washing machine. This 7 kg washer is a good fit for small apartments, kitchens, or utility rooms with its space-saving compact design. With a range of 8 washing programs, you ensure optimal care for your personal and home textiles. A large drum opening in a tall format enables easy, quick, and convenient loading and unloading, and a transparent foldable lid ensures one-hand operation. This top loader is equipped with an LED display, delay start function, power off memory, and a child lock for optimal safety in your household with children. The lint filter traps any dirt or lint that is released from clothes while washing, regardless of low or high water level. The unique lid design enables easy water removal with improvised drying effect. The machine is designed to save you money on utility bills and achieve the best cleaning results for your clothes. Enjoy great washing results while saving on energy consumption with the compact top-load washer from Super General.